Hi everyone, I'm Smriti. My mentee is Skylar. She is super passionate about STEM, but also about theater, art, singing, 1,000 different things. She's also really ambitious. During our first meeting, one of our ideas was to make teleportation work. So we'll see, she'll tell you if we succeeded on that. She wanted to learn some new things with magic, and she ended up building a robot, so I'll let her tell you about that now.
Hi, I'm Skylar. This is my mentor. Her name's Smriti. She goes to MIT. She's a Master of Engineering and Computer Science. What she's researching at MIT is music and technology lab. She lives in California, except when she's at MIT, and she likes piano, dance, and swimming. Those are some pictures of MIT. Yeah, on my hand. So my project. This is Mission WALL-E. It's a robot. I don't care. It doesn't look like it. I like robots and the movie WALL-E. I was also interested in learning a coding language and building robots. Topics and technologies learned. Coding for Arduino. Engineering for mods. I also learned these two programs called MATLAB and Smuling. I call it MatSim. It's amazing. Well, what we accomplished was that we got to build the robot and we started coding. But there was a little malfunction, so it doesn't currently work, but we're gonna fix that. For the future, we're gonna finish the project, and I'm gonna try doing more Arduino, which is robot. Well, my magical experience. Well, whoop. So highlights were that I learned how to code, I did hands-on building, and I met her before today at MIT. Well, sometimes what I learned how to manage my time properly. I learned how to do responsible. I learned how to code too. Some challenges were understanding the P word before building the robot, coding, and also building the robot, which is surprisingly hard. I'm just gonna say one thing. It took us 1 hour to build 1 minute of the robot. It was terrible. So this is my demo. It's basically based off of Arduino's mobile rover. That's it.